Today, I'll show you how to delete a Proton Mail email address in a clear, step-by-step way. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to confidently remove an address you no longer need without any confusion. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. Make sure you're on the official Proton Mail website, then log in with your account details as you normally would. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your inbox where you can see your emails and folders. Take a moment to let everything load so the full interface is visible. Next, you'll need to open the settings area. Look toward the top of the screen for a small gear icon. This gear icon is the universal symbol for settings in Proton Mail. Move your mouse over to that gear and click it once. That will open a quick settings menu, but for what we're doing, we want the full settings page, not just the shortcuts. From that menu, find and click the option labeled All Settings. This takes you to the main settings dashboard for your account. You'll see a sidebar or a series of categories, and this is where Proton Mail groups all the configuration options, from general account details to more advanced controls. Now, look for the section called Filters. Go ahead and click Filters. Even though this section is mainly used to manage how your incoming mail is sorted or handled, this is also where Proton Mail displays certain address-related options. Once the Filters page opens, don't worry if you see a lot of information. You're mainly interested in the area that lists your email addresses or related entries. On this Filters page, scroll down. Use your mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the right side of the screen and move down the page slowly. Keep an eye out for the list where your current Proton Mail email addresses, aliases, or related items are displayed. The exact layout may change slightly over time, but you should see your addresses clearly listed somewhere in this section. Once you've scrolled down to the right area, find the specific email address you want to delete. Take a moment here to double check that you've selected the correct one, especially if you have multiple addresses or aliases linked to your account. When you've found it, look for 3 small dots next to that email address. These 3 dots usually indicate a More Options menu. Click on the 3 dots next to the email address you want to remove. A small drop-down menu will appear with a few different actions you can take. Among those options, you'll see one labeled Delete. Click Delete. Proton Mail may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this address. This is your last chance to make sure you're not deleting an address you still need for logins, subscriptions, or important contacts. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. Once you've confirmed, Proton Mail will proceed to delete that email address. That specific address will no longer be available for sending or receiving mail through your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a Proton Mail email address by navigating from the main site into settings down through filters and using the 3-dot menu to remove it.